Well, it's completed. At least you know, the fabrication part of things. You can see we got the bumper and the hitch assembled this morning, and it's on the trailer heading. We're heading to the sandblaster paint shop right now. So there's the center, there's suspension mounts there, and up here we got the mounts for the jacks, and then we fish plated it where the hitch section's attached. You see she's on the trailer upright right now. And for the pintle lunette ring, yeah. So I think the sandblast paint shop should have it done in a day or so, and we'll pick her back up and take her back to the farm and put some axles under it, and then bring the tender box and set it on top and fabricate some mounts and move on to the next part. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. Well, I'm back home with the tender trailer frame. We took it to a sandblast shop, and they sandblast, or I guess I don't know if they sandblasted, but anyway, they blasted it and painted it for us. They did. I'm quite pleased. It's a shop called Pro Blast up in Keewatin, Minnesota. So if anybody is up on northeastern part of Minnesota, needs something sandblasted and painted, they're called Pro Blast in Keewatin, Minnesota. I'm very pleased with the job they did. So this weekend, if we have time, we're gonna put the axles under it, and obviously tires on it, make it into a rolling chassis. I'm not sure we're gonna have time. I think field work has really kind of started, and we're gonna see if we can get a lot of our primary tillage done while the sun shines. And the sun is shining. The wind's blowing, the sun's shining, but it is not warm. I'm thinking it's like 45 degrees right now, but the ground isn't frozen, so I guess gotta get while the getting's good. Thanks for watching. Well, today we were planting corn until about 3 o'clock this afternoon. It rained us out. So this afternoon we decided to flip back to another project we got going on, a fertilizer tender trailer. So the last we had done with it is I had picked it up from the painter sandblaster place that painted and sandblasted it for us. And it was still on the trailer. We haven't had time to even unload it from the trailer. We went straight into planting. Like I said, today it rained us out, so we decided to work on this a little more. We unloaded it from the trailer, and then we installed the axles today. I picked up these axles, had them shipped up from Texas from a trailer parts depot, and we mounted the springs to the axles and put the equalizer bar in, and held up the rear of the frame and slid the axles in on we mounted the tires to it, then we just kind of rolled the axles in and let the frame down on it, and everything came together really nice. So it's I guess you consider it's a rolling chassis now. We mounted the pintle to the front. So I guess you'd call it a rolling chassis. Well, there's plenty to do still, but this evening I've been working on getting some of the wiring done. When we fabricated the trailer frame, we built this light box here in the back with tail lights and clearance lights. There's lights on the tender as well that I'll wire in, and obviously there's electric brakes on every position as well. So the other project we're starting just to finish up here is to mount the trailer jacks on them. We have a pair of them, one for each side. All that's left to do is these little brackets you see are sitting on top the the jacks. It has to be welded to the jacks and then bolted on. And yeah, so we got some progress today on it. It's still raining at 10 tonight. They're forecasting rain all evening, so this kind of looks like this is going to be our project for tomorrow. I would be tickled pink to see the box on top of it tomorrow, but I'm not sure if we'll get that far. But, well, there we go. Progress for another day. Thanks for watching.